Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Today I am dealing with 7th class maths and certainties. Before going to do that, let us have a small discussion about today's thought. What is the thought? What you think, you become. What do you mean by that? Whatever you think, you will become like that. Have a positive thought always, children. Think positively about the work that you are doing. Never feel that, Amma, this is very hard work, I can't do. Don't think like that. Everything is possible, children. You know that impossible is a word which says that I am possible if you keep a small apostrophe after I am possible. So every impossible is possible only when you have a positive thinking in your mind. So never feel that this is stuff I can't do. This is something else for somebody, not for my sake. My mental ability is not this. Don't think like that, children. Everybody is having almost equal type of intelligence, but how much we are using, accordingly our mind will develop. Even a knife, when you don't when you don't use it, it becomes unusable. Then if you sharpen it, you can use it once again. Same thing with our brain. If you don't use it, it becomes dull. When you keep on working about with your brain, it will become sharp. So children, never think that something is very hard. Nothing is hard for anybody. Work accordingly. Think about you plan how the work has to be done. Without thinking that it is very hard, just think that how can I solve this? Have a positive thinking, definitely that will lead you to success. Let us come back to the studies. We are doing 7th class. This is the 7th class lines and angles chapter. In this, I have already explained you about various parallel lines, various angles, how the alternate angles, what is the rule for alternate angles, corresponding angles, interior angles on the same side of the transversal. These all I have explained. It is there in previous video. You can check with it, children. Now, in page 82, you are having one example problem. I am dealing with it. What they have given is, they have given two lines, children, which are parallel to each other and a transversal. This is the figure, L, M. And in the figure they said that, in the question they said that P is a transversal, but that P they have not mentioned here. 20 degrees and this is x degrees. Now the question is, find x. What is x? Find x. What they said, line L is parallel to M and P is transversal. So let us see how will you solve it. L is parallel to M. This is given to us. They have given that L is parallel to M. They have given to us. And P is a transversal. P is a transversal. Therefore, what you can say, 20 degrees is equal to x. Why is it? They are exterior alternate angles. See, one angle lies on one side, the other angle lies on the other side. They are outside. So, what you will say? X is equal to 20 degrees. This is your answer. So, this children, this is example 1. Copy it. Now, there is another problem which you need to measure and do, so that part I am not doing, children. Here if I do also, you may not understand, that will not be done. Now I am going to do the next one, that is example 2. Example 2 is in your page 85. In your page 85, you have got example 2. See, you have got a figure like this. A, B, C, D. And they have given this as 30 degrees and this angle as 30 degrees. And they are proving that the question is AB parallel to CD? How? This is the question. Now you can see, children, angle B is equal to angle C. It is given to us. Angle B is equal to angle C given to us. They are alternate angles. They are alternate angles. Therefore, we can say that when alternate angles are equal, we will say that they are parallel. Therefore, AB is parallel to C. These are alternate angles now. A set of alternate angles are equal means definitely the two lines are parallel. I have explained you in the earlier video that this is a property of parallel lines. So since we have got alternate angles are equal, these two lines are parallel. This is example 2, children. Right on. Now, we will go to exercise. Exercise 7. What is this exercise 7? First one, you have got fill in the blanks. So, what is the first bit? The line which intersects two or more lines. The line which intersects two or more lines at distinct points is called. What is it called, children? What is the answer here? It is called as a transversal. What is the solution for it? It is a transversal. This is the answer for it, children. Transversal. I have already given you a definition for it. So, what is the second one? If the pair of alternate angles, if the pair of alternate angles are equal, then the lines are what do you write, children? If a pair of alternate angles are equal, what are the lines? Just now we have done the problem. They are parallel. The lines are parallel. Next, the third bit. Sum of interior angles. The sum of interior angles on the same side of transversal, on the same side of transversal are supplementary, are supplementary. Then the lines are. These all are the properties, children. If the lines on the same side, interior angles on the same side of transversal, when they are supplementary, supplementary means their sum is 180 degrees, then the lines are parallel. We have already done about it. Then fourth one, if two lines intersect each other, if two lines intersect each other, then the number of common points, then the number of common points they have. How many children? When two lines are intersecting, what happens? It is just like this. When two lines are intersecting, we will be having only one common point. So the solution is only one. One common point they will be having when two lines intersect. So this is the first question, children. Objectives, fill in the blanks. So copy them. Now we'll go to the second one. So the first question is dealing with your properties only. Now the second one, they have given a figure, children. These are the two lines and this is the transversal. L and M. N is a transversal. You have got angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, various questions. What they have given? L is parallel to M. N is a transversal. This is given to us. Now, you have got various bits to answer. What is the first bit? If angle 1 is equal to 80 degrees, then angle 2 is equal to. See, we know that angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degrees. They are linear pair. When they are linear pair, angle 1 is 80 degrees plus angle 2 is 180 degrees. So what is angle 2? 180 degrees minus 80 degrees, 100 degrees. So what is angle 2? You have got it here. It is 100 degrees. Angle 2 is 100 degrees. This is your first bit. Now the second bit, If angle 3 is 45 degrees, then angle 7 is equal to dash. What is angle 7, children? Angle 3 they have given. Angle 3. Angle 3, oh sorry, I will write it. Angle 3 is equal to angle 7. They are alternate angles. So when angle 3 is equal to angle 7, angle 3 is 45 means angle 7 also 45 degrees. Now we will go to the third bit. What is the third? If angle 2 is equal to 90 degrees, then angle 8 is equal to dash. Angle 2 and angle 8. Angle 2 is equal to angle 8. Why? They are vertically opposite angles. Always vertically opposite angles are equal. When angle 2 is equal to 90 degrees, then what will be angle 8? Angle 8 also 90 degrees. Now, fourth bit. If angle 4 is equal to 100 degrees, then angle 8 is equal to dash. Angle 4 and angle 8. What are they, children? They are exterior alternate angles. Angle 4 is equal to angle 8. They are exterior alternate angles. So, angle 4 is 100 means angle 8 also is 100 degrees. So, even this second problem is dealing with your knowledge on parallel lines, children, parallel lines and their angles. Please note down. I have given you the reason why the answers are so. So, I hope you are following it. Next we will go to the third problem. Now, third problem is, you have got a triangle like this and a line passing through this. This is A, B, C. This is 75 degrees. This is X and this is 45 degrees. This is Y degrees, Z degrees. Now the question is, you have to find out what they have given. This is L. They said that L is parallel to BC. So you need to find out, find X, Y, Z. What are the angles? Find the measure of X, Y, Z. Now let us see. They have given that L is parallel to BC. This is given to us. Therefore, angle Y is equal to 75 degrees because they are alternate angles. Yes or no? This becomes the transversal. these two becomes alternate angles. So they are angle Y is 75 degrees. Also angle Z is equal to 45 degrees because they are also alternate angles. So you can say angle Y is equal to angle Z is equal to 45 degrees. And we also know that 75 degrees plus x plus 45 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Why? They are linear angles. What do you mean by linear angles? The sum of those angles is equal to 180 degrees. If you have only two angles, we call them as linear pair. If you have more than two angles, you call them as linear angles. So what you will be getting? This is 10, 120 plus x is equal to 180 degrees, 120 degrees. X is equal to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees, that is equal to 60 degrees. Therefore, your answer is x is equal to 60 degrees and y is equal to 75 degrees and z is equal to 45 degrees. So, these three are your answers. I hope you have followed this. Basing on the parallel lines property, we have solved this problem. Now, we go to the fourth one. ABCD is a quadrilateral. You have got a quadrilateral given like this, children. A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral and angle A is given as 50 degrees. Now we need to find out B, C, D. What are the angles? What did they give? AB is parallel to CD. So, parallel lines are indicated by the angles on the facing on the same direction, children. And what else? AD is parallel to BC. This is also given. So, the angles are not given to you, but you can write them. Both of them are facing same side, so they are parallel. Angle A is given 50 degrees. You have to find out all the angles. You see, children, AB is parallel to CD. Therefore, it is given to us. AB is parallel to CD. When you when you say AB is parallel to CD, AD is a transversal. AD is a transversal. If AD is a transversal, 50 degrees plus D is equal to 180 degrees because they are interior angles on the same side of transversal. This is the reason why we say they are 180. So what is D? 180 degrees minus 50 degrees. That is 130 degrees is D. We have got D measured. Now, next one, we will take AD is parallel to BC. This is given to us. Therefore, what you will say? Angle D plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. The reason again the same reason, interior angles on the same side of transversal. Interior angles on the same side of transversal. Angle D we got as 130. 130 plus angle C is 180 degrees. So what this angle is? You see 180 minus 130 degrees. That is equal to 50 degrees. So we have got angle C as 50 degrees. Now let us take, we have done this and as we have got C and D. We need to get B. So let us take again AB is parallel to CD. This is given to us. Therefore, angle C plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees. C, angle C and angle B. B is, okay, small letter we need to write. Angle C and angle B. These two, it is a transversal means, these two are parallel lines means BC is a transversal. BC is a transversal. So here also when you say AD is parallel to BC, CD is a transversal. It will give you a clear idea, children. CD is a transversal. So that what are we seeing very clearly, you will be getting. So when you say AB is parallel to CD and BC is a transversal, angle C plus angle B is 180 degrees. Angle C we have got as 50 plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees. These are, what is the reason? They are interior angles on the same side of transversal. Therefore, what is angle B? Angle B is equal to 180 degrees minus 50 degrees, that is equal to 130 degrees. So, what are we getting, children? Angle A is equal to, how much we have got? Angle A already they have given. Angle B. Angle B is equal to 130 degrees. Angle C is equal to 50 degrees. Angle D is equal to, how much we have got? 130 degrees. So this is your answer. I hope you have followed, children. Opposite angles are equal. Angle A and angle C should be equal. So angle A is 50 degrees, angle C is 50 degrees. And B and D should be equal. Angle B is 130 degrees, so angle D is also 130 degrees. I hope you have understood, children. Please copy this. Now we will see the next problem. Fifth problem, you have got two lines parallel, that is L and M. This is line L and M. And we have got a transversal N, and this is 100 degrees they have given, and this is 80 degrees. Now L and M are intersected by N. The question is L parallel to M? So they have not given L and M are parallel, but they are asking is L parallel to M? Actually 100 degrees will be equal to 80 degrees, 100 degrees plus 80 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. What are the children? They are exterior angles on the same side of transversal. So as we have told, interior angles on the same side of transversal are supplementary. Even exterior angles on the same side of transversal are supplementary. Therefore, we will say that L is parallel to M. If you have a doubt, you can even see like this, children. This is 100 means here linear pair, here it should be 80. 80 and 80 are corresponding angles. We have got them as equal. When corresponding angles are equal, L and M are parallel. So, this is one more property, children. Exterior angles on the same side of the transversal will be always equal for parallel angles. Will be always supplementary, sorry. Exterior angles on the same side of transversal are supplementary. Always you remember that, children. So, not only interior angles on the same side of transversal are supplementary, even exterior angles on the same side of transversal are supplementary. So, please write down this. This is fifth problem. They have given us 180. They are asking to prove is L parallel to M. These are exterior angles on the same side of transversal. There is some we are getting as 180. So, definitely they are supplementary. So, they are exterior angles on the same side of transversal. So, we are saying that L is parallel to M. Now, we will go to the next problem. Copy this. Now, sixth problem, children. You have got the figure like this. In this way you have got, and they have given these two arrows down. And this is arrow up, and here is arrow up, here is arrow down, here arrow up, here arrow down, and here arrow up. Here they have given 50 degrees, and here they have given 50 degrees, and this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is E. Now you need to find out what are, the question is find angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, angle E. Now, what is the note they have given? Note is two arrow marks pointing the same direction represent parallel lines. So, let me name so that it will be easy. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. If I name it will be easy. See, A, B and C, D are given same arrows. So, what they have given? A, B is parallel to C, D. This is given to us, and BC is a transversal. If BC is a transversal, we will say angle A is equal to 50 degrees because they are alternate angles. So, we have found angle A. Now, angle B we want. So, angle B we want, children, means these two we have to see. So, these two lines, that means BC is parallel to DE, this is given to us, and BC and DE, CD is transversal. Because CD is a transversal, angle B now. Angle B is equal to 50 degrees. They are alternate angles. So, we have got angle B. Now, B and C, that means CD and EF. CD is parallel to EF. When CD is parallel to EF, DE is transversal. When DE is transversal, angle B is equal to angle C. Alternate angles. When they are alternate angles, what we can say? Angle B is 50 degrees. Therefore, angle C is also 50 degrees. So, we have got angle C. Now, we need to go for angle D. That means you have to take these two. That is, DE is parallel to GF. DE is parallel to GF. When DE is parallel to GF, EF, this is given. EF is transversal. When EF is transversal, angle C is equal to angle D. They are alternate angles. Therefore, what is angle C? We got 50 degrees. Angle D is equal to 50 degrees. So, we have got angle D. Now, we need to go for angle E. What is angle E, children? We need to go for angle E means EF is parallel to GH or FG is parallel to HI. Anything you can write. Let us take this. GF FG is parallel to HI. FG is parallel to HI. This is given. And HGH is transversal. So, angle E is equal to 50 degrees alternate angles. So, thus we have got the values, children. So, ultimately, what is the answer we will be getting? Angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D is equal to angle E is equal to 50 degrees. This is your answer. All the angles are equal. Why? Because all these sides are parallel to each other. So I hope you have understood, children. This chapter is finished with this sum, children. We will go to the next chapter afterwards. So please copy.